While the rest of the world settles into the warmth of the holidays, Sarah is cold and she is counting. Tonight, in part 3 of her letters to the bench, the desperation intensifies. Sarah is now tracking the days with mathematical precision, presenting her tally to a judge she feels has checked out for the holiday season. Attorney number 6 is still unaccounted for, and in a move of pure defiance, Sarah is taking her plea beyond the courtroom and straight to the governor. The festivities have started, but for Sarah, the nightmare doesn't take a holiday. This is True Crime Lullabies.
December 5th, 2022. Judge Wayne C. Wooten, Orlando, Florida. Summary of progress. Numbers only. It's all I have. 1. Since appointed by court, Frank J. Bankowitz, attorney number 6, July 11th, 2022. 21 weeks, 147 days, and counting. 2. Since last spoke to Frank J. Bankowitz, attorney number 6, August 22nd, 2022, 15 weeks, 105 days, and counting. 3. Since pretrial conference, no response from attorney or court, October 25th, 2022, 6 weeks, 42 days, and counting. 4. Since my last letter to judge regarding MIA, attorney and case, November 3rd, 2022, 4 weeks, 32 days, and counting. 5. Total hours of my time represented by Frank J. Bankowitz, 3,528 and counting. Total hours of time spent with client, Sarah Boone. 2. Where's my attorney? Where are you, Judge Wooten? I understand the holiday mode everyone is in as we inmates sit and wait for it to pass. But before I slash, we come to the end of yet another year. Almost 3 for me, in OCCO. It would be respectable of the court to please advise the status and location of my attorney foremost, and also provide any real progress of my case, which is difficult to do, and further without an attorney. Nonetheless, after being appointed so many, I thought hopefully the level of dysfunction would be lessened. Unfortunately, to date, I am sadly mistaken and feel I've been severely misled. Even more unfortunate seems to be the lack of representation from any party of my case, other than myself. Look at the numbers. In the meantime, and in preparation for the upcoming status hearing on December 20th at 10:45 a.m., which I just received notice for, thank you for the inclusion. I am in the process of writing to our governor regarding the mismanagement of my case and the multiple added obstacles and deterrents I am experiencing, trying to avoid any further time-consuming hindrances or setbacks going forward. Some of the major legitimate concerns of mine are the violations of my constitutional rights, the degree of neglect, and the nonchalant approach by everyone in my case to substantially progress, and the illegal, non-permissive release and distribution by the Orange County Sheriff's Department of crucial, confidential case files, videos, photographs, documents, etc., pertinent to my case, which I have not even seen or even know about. Everyone knows more than I do about my case. As a result, it is impossible to choose a jury that will be impartial, fair, and uninfluenced by all the mutated, exaggerated, hyped sensationalism. This being a significant reason I requested a change of venue previously. At this point, it will make no difference. There's no where I am not known. The premature, unfair judgment by everyone has wrongfully and inappropriately already been made. I haven't even seen my discovery or know where my attorney is. My 6th attorney. Not only am I, the other party in my case, still in the dark with everything. I am blind and in the dark. This is wrong, unfair, especially for a still proud citizen of the United States of America, and unacceptable. There is more to everything, much more, and in which I've been patient to an extreme to explain, interpret, and educate what now seems to be to the whole world. I am hopeful the governor will be able to untangle the chaos and mistreatment. No one else seems to be available or willing to abide by the protocol of our justice system and rightfully, eagerly apply themselves. I'm hoping, still, these aforementioned topics can be further discussed at the hearing on the 20th, and in which I am bringing to everyone's attention prior. I have not heard from my court-appointed attorney to date, so I am unaware what else may be on the docket. It's time to finally move forward, and in all the right ways. Happy holidays. Sarah Boone. Mr. Bankowitz, I am also sending a direct copy to you in case the court and slash or judge does not, therefore giving no reason of any unsurety of my ongoing concerns regarding having no communication from you in any manner for almost 4 months. I believed the court and or judge would have sent copies to you of all my letters to them, but since I have been unsuccessful in receiving a response or update by their side also, I am taking it upon myself to make sure everyone is aware I am still sitting here waiting on you. Please respond. I look forward to seeing you at the hearing, if not before then, with very much overdue and anticipated progress. Thank you, Sarah Boone.
The days continue to stack up, but Sarah is still waiting for answers. If you're ready to see how far this defiance goes, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss part 4. The tally isn't over yet. For now, put the calendar away and find some peace. Until next time, sleep tight.